So I'm getting ready to take these shelves off the wall behind me and install some new shelves that I purchased off Amazon. We've had these for a while and they're kind of looking beat up a little bit and stuff like that. So we found some shelves on Amazon that are a little bit bigger and it'll fit this corner pretty good. And what I'll do is, if it's something you're interested in, I'll put a link in the description of this video to the shelving on Amazon, so you can go into the description and buy them out of Amazon if it's something that you want. But let me show you what's included in the package with the new shelves. So here are the shelves right here. They came in this box. There are two of them in here and made out of wood. So they come with two L shaped corner shelves. And there's like some wall inserts and some screws. And looks like a little level in this package. And there's some brackets right here that it comes with to put the shelves on and to hang them. So let's take all this out. There's that. Some brackets. Put those over here. And there's another shelf here in the package. There's a loose screw in the bag. So we'll see what the heck that goes to. Gotta love that when there's loose screws floating around. There's more hardware over here. So some more screws. And it looks like everything is kind of labeled for you. So that should be a good thing. And it looks like there's some rods of some kind. And it looks like there's some hooks in here. So we're gonna take this all out, get it all set up, and I'm going to install these and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, so I finished hanging the new shelves. They were easy to do. The instructions are really good, and both shelves are the same. They both come with these hooks and a bar for the bottom. I just left the one out of the top, but I kept it and I measured it out with the bar on it. I just slid it out. For the shelving that we have, we just opted not to put it in there right now, but it's easy to attach to the wall, and this is kind of how we laid it out. It just attaches with simple screws, and it comes with the screws. It comes with some plastic inserts to put into the wall so you can anchor it down. It did come with, the kit did come with like a little bubble level, but what I ended up doing is I used a torpedo level that I had. It's a little bit easier. It'll be a little more accurate. So when you go to put the shelves up, just put your level on it, make sure it's leveled, and mark your holes and stuff like that. But just wanted to do a quick video on these shelves we bought on Amazon. I'll put a link to them in the description of the video. And if you have any questions about them, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.